This 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2600 RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 8 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 6, oven, microwave, Colorado Detector, water heater, awning, refrigerator, air conditioning, leveling jacks, external shower, auxiliary battery, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2600 RB is 5,795 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.